Both gametes, that is, sperm and ovum, are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in testes of men from beginning of maturation, puberty, till death. However, in case of women, at the time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes in the ovary of female fetus. An oocyte matures and is released from ovary every month from the beginning of maturity up to the age of menopause, approximately 45 years of age. Menopause is the stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system. At the age of about 45 to 50 years, secretion of hormones controlling the functions of female reproductive system either stops or becomes irregular. This causes the menopause. Fertilization. Formation of zygote by union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Fertilization is internal in humans. Semen is ejaculated in vagina during copulation. Sperms in the numbers of few millions start their journey by the route of vagina, uterus, oviduct. One of those few million sperms fertilize the only ovum present in the oviduct. From the age of puberty up the menopause, from 10 to 17 years of age up to 45 to 50 years, an ovum is released every month from the ovary. That is, out of 2 to 4 million ova, approximately only 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause. Remaining oocytes undergo degeneration. Oocytes released from ovaries during last few months nearing the age of menopause are 40 to 50 years old. Their ability of division has been diminished till now. Due to this, they cannot complete meiotic division properly. If such oocytes are fertilized, the newborns produced from them may be with some abnormalities like Down's syndrome. Do you know? The chromosome number in germ cells producing the gametes are diploid, that is 2n. It includes 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes, that is 44 plus XX or 44 plus XY. These germ cells divide by meiosis. Due to this, gametes contain only haploid n number of chromosomes, that is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Two types of sperms are produced as 22 plus X or 22 plus Y, whereas oocytes are produced of only one type as 22 plus X. Both sperms and oocytes are produced by meiosis. In case of sperms, process of meiotic division is completed before the sperms leave male reproductive tract. However, in case of oocytes, process of meiotic division completes after ovulation, during fertilization in oviduct. Development and birth. The zygote formed after fertilization in the oviduct undergoes repeated mitotic divisions and embryo is formed. Meanwhile, it is pushed towards uterus. Once it reaches the uterus, it is implanted and further development occurs after implantation. An organ called as placenta is formed for supply of food material during the growth in uterus. Embryonic development is completed approximately within 9 months after the fertilization. Always remember, a man is totally responsible whether the couple will have a boy or a girl child. During zygote formation, man contributes either X or Y chromosome to the next generation, but females transfer only X chromosome to the next generation. At the time of fertilization, if X chromosomes comes from male, the child will be a girl, and if Y chromosome comes, then the child will be a boy. Thinking of this, is it right to consider the mother responsible for a girl child? We all must take efforts to stop female feticide. Can you tell? 1. Which hormone is released from pituitary of mother once the fetal development is completed? Answer. The hormone oxytocin is released from the posterior pituitary of the mother once the fetal development is completed. 2. Under the effect of that hormone, which organ of the female reproductive starts to contract and thereby birth process, parturition is facilitated? Answer. Under the effect of oxytocin hormone, uterus contracts involuntarily and the baby is expelled out. Thus, initiation of birth process is possible due to contractions of uterus. Menstrual cycle. Female reproductive system undergoes some changes at puberty, and those changes repeat at the